What is up, guys? Britt Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make your Instagram account private or public. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so what we have to do is go to Instagram and go to the bottom right and select the profile. And then we're going to go to the top right and select the three lines and then select settings. And then in the settings, you're going to scroll down and select privacy. And then scroll down and select account privacy. And if you switch that toggle on, it's going to allow you to private your Instagram account. And also you can review your followers and select who can actually, I guess, view your stuff. But I don't want to do that, so I just select not now. But also, in order to make your account public, you just switch that toggle back off. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. That is how you make your account private or public on Instagram. Hope this video helped. See you next time. Peace.